So I got a package from, I have no idea. So we'll open it when we get in there. Might be hair, I think. I didn't check my mail yesterday, so let me check it. Junk. Stupid junk. I thought I got a package yesterday. Have I not been outside since yesterday? Seems there's no package out there. Okay. We're back. I was in the middle of telling my scoliosis story and the mail came. Is it okay if we stop for a second? Okay. Catch my breath. Let's open up the package. Let me sit back down and open it up here. See what it is. Hey guys, so I am exhausted. Oh my gosh. I haven't vlogged all day today. It's been a really up and down day, but I haven't vlogged all day, but I wanted to make sure that I vlog, so I have a vlog to upload tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So I'm in pain. So today is a painful day. My head hurts. My neck hurts. My back hurts. So yeah, I don't really talk about like when days I have like pain and stuff like that, but after I made my scoliosis video, a lot of you guys actually have scoliosis, commented, just got diagnosed with it, had a surgery, getting fitted for a brace. So I'm glad you guys enjoyed the story, the video. I'm glad you guys were able to hear my story, and I was happy to share it. And yeah, so, and also I'm happy that you guys are enjoying the April videos. So I do have some stuff I wanted to talk about, but I'm trying to think if I want to like save it for another day when my mind is feeling better. But there was some questions that I got in my inbox and stuff about my back and scoliosis, and people that are going through the same thing, they have questions for me, so I can look through that and answer them. So I'm about to edit and upload a video, and it's going to be a mini haul, try-on haul from Eric Dress, Ramui, Shein, and then that jewelry I was telling you guys about. I said let me just put it in a haul video. It hurts to talk. So I'm putting in a haul video, and that would be it. So let me, I'm actually making some biscuits in the oven for dinner with some egg, and I'm making that right now. Then I'm gonna edit and upload the video, and then I'll come back and we can talk about some of the questions you guys had. Somebody gave a discussion topic, which is good enough for another vlog in its own. So I'll wait to talk about that, but I'll answer all the other questions that you guys have. So let me do some work, get some food, and I'll be right back. So these are the biscuits that I got. So I'm gonna put it in the oven. So I just got an email from this planner company, and they saw my video that I made on how I organized my plan on my wedding planning book. So they sent me an email and said, I think they're a Swedish company, and they wanted me to tell you guys about their planner. So I said to myself, like, let me just tell you guys now, because they gave me like the website, and like they gave me like a coupon to use towards getting a customized planner. And this is like customizable. Like you pick the size you want. Let me go back. So you pick the size you want. Mini, square, wide, A5, A4. This A4, I think it's like the size of like a notebook paper. This is like the size of the Erin Condren. This is like a wide one, small, small. So first you pick your size. So I'm gonna pick this one because I think that's the Erin Condren size. And then I'm not sure where you do, like, so cover picture, text, and then you can do the front or the back. Cool. And then I think these are What makes you log in? So I think these are covers. Click here. Oh, okay, so you can have it plain or you can have these ones. So cover picture, let's see, patterns. Let's see what's here. Ooh, I like that. It's purple. These. These are cute. There's a lot of them. Ooh, there's a lot. That is awesome. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, actually, let me pick this one. I like that. That is cute. Let me change my name. Change it to have like my name. How do you change it? Wow, there's a lot. This is like very, very customizable. More, way more than the Erin Condren one. So design theme. Oh, okay. These are new ones, previous ones they've had. Oh, wow. That's really cool. There's a lot of designs, so you can do the front and the back. Cool. So that's just the cover. Then they have the inlay design, which is how you want the layout to be. Let's see. Inlay language. Oh, cool. American. Oh wow, and you can even design like up here with this here. This is my first time on it. They just emailed me, so this is my first time going through it, so I like it. This is so cute. A lot of you guys were saying that the Michaels planners, you couldn't find it, so this is a good option. And it's still more affordable than the Erin Condren. You can change the colors. That's good. Let's see what this is. Module. Oh, wait, what's that? Oh, cool. Workout, exam. So down here it's like workout, exams, and then it comes up here. Graph, list, to-do list. You can make it any way you want. Whoa, this is really good. Module 2, preschool. Oh, okay. So this is one here, and then you can do one here. So say I wanted to do like my workout schedule here, and then module 2, I'll do my exams. And then module 3, I'll do, let's see, let me do dinners. Then you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's see what else they have. Ooh, back pages. Oh, okay. So you can have a year in review, coloring book, Sudoku maps, address lists, squared, ruled, blank page, all this. This is crazy. Owner info page. Title suggestion, suggested text, all this stuff. I guess you can pick colors. Cool. Oh, cool. That's awesome. I like this. I am liking this. This is very, 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 very customizable. That's awesome. Start here. Okay. So if anyone's interested, mini planner, notebooks, wall, and they have wall planners. So if you want a planner, like it's I guess it's the same like shape, like say like a calendar, but it's your planner, so you don't have to like take it with you. You just want to put on the wall. So that's what this is. And then they got pens, extra accessories. Delivers within 3 to 4 weeks. Shipping is included in price, so practically free shipping. And they have notebooks too. So planners, wall planners, and notebooks. So they literally just emailed me right now. So I'm like all up in this. So I just want to share this with you guys because a lot of you guys are telling me that you can't find the planner. So this is a really good one to consider. I would recommend it because it's very, very customizable. So you can make it even much better than the Erin Condren. So they gave me, like in the email, they gave me like a coupon code to use towards getting a planner, but I already have my planner. So I'm trying to think like maybe I'll just give it to one of you guys. So yeah, I'll just do that. So if any of you guys want a planner, just comment or whatever, and then I'll pick somebody and then I'll give you the coupon code and you can just use it. I think it was like $60 worth of stuff. So you can still get a planner and a bunch of other accessories. So, which is good. So yeah, just comment below, let me know. A lot of you guys really liked my planner video, which was really good. And you guys are sending me pictures of your planners and stuff, and you ordered it and stuff. So that's awesome. So I'm glad I'm able to help with getting organized. You guys help me be organized. I can help you guys be organized because we're doing all of this together, getting through life together. So yeah, so I like this. I'm about to send this to Inky because I know she still wanted. Did she get a planner? Yeah, she got a planner, but she never showed it to me. Wow, that's really good. That's really good. I have to give me more coupon codes for you guys. Let me even read the email. They said they'll do a giveaway and share a discount code with me. So, what should I do? Should I make a video separate, or should I just like make a video in a vlog? Let me know what you guys want, so that I can give you guys a giveaway opportunity, because they said you can also do a giveaway, discount code, and more discount codes for you guys. So let me know, should I do in a vlog or do in a separate video? Should I order one to show you guys, you know? And I still want to give one away, and someone's still gonna use this coupon code, so let me know. This is really good. That's awesome. Glad they saw my video. That's so cool. Okay. So anyways, let me edit this video. Alright, so I said I'm making my biscuits in the oven. So I decided to make a little scrambled egg with that, and then have tilapia. I haven't had my protein in a while, so I don't want to, sometimes, like, I eat egg all the time, but I don't want to eat it all the time, like every day, because egg has cholesterol, so I don't want to have too much cholesterol. But I gave myself a couple days, so I'm gonna have my egg and my tilapia. So yeah, I want to tell you guys, I forgot. It's just funny how, like, I've been so much in pain all day, and I didn't pick up the camera, and I'm like, oh my gosh, how do I vlog? I have nothing to talk about. And now when I pick up the camera, I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. Oh yeah, look what I'm doing. So I've been on my wedding diet, and like I've been, you know, dieting like beginning of the year, but like I didn't kick it up a notch, like get like serious until like 3 weeks ago. So starting 3 weeks ago, I like completely changed like all my stuff. So changed like my breakfast routine, snack routine, lunch, and dinner. And I've lost so much weight, and like it's so noticeable because like when I try on clothes, like first my stomach is flat, no bloating at all. And then my thing is about to go off. And then like when I try on dresses and stuff, like trying on dresses for like my bachelorette party and stuff, bachelorette weekend, just options, I'm like, okay, this dress looks good on me now, you know? So I feel comfortable in it. So I've been noticing that, and like I've been doing a lot of exercises, the Stairmaster, so a lot of other stuff. So one thing, let me get my biscuits out before that burn. Oh, they're so good. Leaving there for a little bit more because I want it to be a little bit more brown. One thing I mentioned a long time before, maybe yeah, during my Vlogmas, when I was talking about like my food stuff and like not being able to eat rice and like other carbs and bready stuff because, and like pastas, because of my stomach and not digesting things well. So I went to see my doctor, and he just told me it happens to a lot of women, especially during like my age and stuff. And he just said just drink Miralax daily. And Miralax, there's nothing in it that absorbs in your body, you know, like medication. So it's okay to drink it every day. That's what he was telling me. So like I knew that, but I would rather have a doctor tell me that just to make sure, because I don't want to self-diagnose myself with something when it maybe could have been more serious and stuff. So I drink Miralax every day. So this is what I drink. So I make tea every morning, and I just pour it in there and drink it. So ever since then, my problems are gone. Like I don't have problems like that anymore. So that mixed with, you know, changing my diet and getting more into gear with like weight loss, I'm feeling good. Feels great. Hey guys, I missed you. Hope you guys missed me. So I just got home from work today. So good thing today is that I got off work at 6, so the sun is still up, but I left my phone at home today. So I've had my phone not with me all day. It was actually kind of good because I didn't have to think about anything. Just my phone's at home. But now my phone is ringing. I'm not even gonna answer it. Not yet. I'm not ready. It was a good day without my phone, so. It's a good day without my phone. So, so I have so much to talk to you guys about, but I just came home. I just got a new sample for Encoma.com, a new t-shirt sample. So I'm about to open that and check it out. I'm having a birthday sale right now on my website. So where are they? Yeah, I want to show you guys the Ankara travel cases. I'm doing like a birthday sale because my birthday is in April. So the 2-pack is $10 and 1 is $8. It ships free anywhere in the USA, and I do ship to Canada and some parts of Europe. So yeah, so check it out. I'll have the link to that down below. But yeah, birthday sale. So many orders. Like I posted it yesterday. I had so many orders the other day, so I was up all last night packaging them up and processing them. So anyways, let me open up my sample and check it out, and then tend to my phone and then talk to you guys about some stuff. So I have it on. It looks so good. I love it. Came out really nice actually. So I will have this on my site. I have no idea when, like I really don't know. But it says, warning, my melanin popped severely, getting ready for summer 2017. I'm here for my melanin ladies. So if y'all hear from me, get ready. So yes, love this. So yeah, so it's really soft cotton, extra relaxed. This is a size large I'm wearing. So it's a little bit fitted. So I would actually probably wear a medium for like a more tighter fit, but large is fine because, you know, if you want to do the relaxed fit, it looks great. So yes, so I am so ready for 2017. I'm so ready for the summer. Like, what? Excited for these. So I have no idea when these will be available. I'm still in the beginning stages of like trying to get it together. So we will see soon. Hey guys, welcome back. I have been gone for a wee little bit. All right, we're gonna need the air because it is too hot in here. Before I fry myself. Okay, so rewind. Okay, let me stop vlogging to cool off. I'm catching up with a lot of things. So much going on. Been in a funk. One of those times when I get in the funk, I'm just like, everything just feels like blah. Like finding an excuse not to do something because you're just like not really feeling things. I haven't filmed any videos in a while. I've just been in a funk. So, but today I've been, actually yesterday and today I kind of got out of it. So I filmed a bunch of videos yesterday and today. So, and then I was supposed to go to Atlanta for the weekend for a wedding, but things came up and I had to cancel my flight. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so I had to cancel my flights. So luckily, one of my flights I booked with Southwest, and Southwest you can cancel your flight, no penalty, and then just reschedule it for something else. And then my other flight coming back was with Delta. And what happened? Delta, they charge you. You can cancel or change the flight, but they charge you like $200. So I called the company and the lady was like, we can waive the fees only if, you know, there was like a death or medical stuff. And I was like, well, my back hurts. So I just said that, and then she was okay, I'll waive the fee for you. So then she just gave me travel credit so I can use it for something else. So I actually just used the same credits to book my flight for my bachelorette weekend. So I booked that. All that's booked. All the girls booked their flights. So we are ready to go. Like just counting down. Like counting down. I'm so here for this. I'm so ready. What is this person? Oh, did they just have an accident? They did. Let me put my camera down before the police see me. What happened? Probably an accidente. Probably. Okay, so yeah, so I'm so sad that I couldn't go to my cousin's wedding. And it was in Atlanta, and my cousin was telling me that there was a bunch of you guys that watch my videos that are gonna be there. So she was telling you guys that, oh yeah, if he's coming. So yeah, it was a very big disappointment and stuff, but things came up, life happens. Drama, but it's okay. So I finished work for the day, so I'm about to head to a couple places. It's a freaking beautiful day outside. 82 degrees. The sun is shining. Like, God is good. Life is good. Even though we had a little hiccup, life is good. Jesus is real. Happy Easter. Like, try to merge. Okay, so I'm going to go to Sephora. When I went shopping with Inky for my birthday at Sephora, I think it was Anastasia Beverly Hills, they had a new foundation stick and they didn't have my color anymore. It was sold out. So I'm going to go to the next Sephora that's here and then get my foundation color that I really want to try, and then go to Sephora, do that. And after Sephora, then I'm going to go to the outlet mall. And actually after Sephora, I'm going to go to Nordstrom Rack. I got to start getting gifts for the bridesmaids, because I did like bridesmaids gift bags for Inky. I don't know if I vlogged it or not. I don't remember if I did, but bridesmaids gift bags for the wedding day. So I'm gonna go to Nordstrom Rack to see if there's anything there. I don't really know exactly what I want to put in the gift bags, but I'm just gonna go to Nordstrom Rack to just see what's there. And then after that, then I'll go to the outlet mall, check out some things. I still need dresses for a bachelorette weekend, so in all the stores I'll be going to, I'll be looking for outfits. And then I'm gonna go to the mall and then go to one of the stores that sells like special occasion dresses, to see if I can find something for my bachelor weekend. So I said I really didn't even want to go, but I was just like, get up, it's beautiful weather, you know, you're done with the work, you're done with work for the day, enjoy the sunshine before the sun goes down. So yes, I'm excited. So I miss you guys. Like when I was in a funk, I'm just like, I don't feel like vlogging, but it's like when I pick up my vlogging camera today, I'm just like, I have so much to tell you guys. So yeah, so I have some videos coming out. So you guys been noticing I've been doing some more hair videos this year than I did last year. So and more like cheap, affordable, quick styles. So there was a bunch of companies that people were sending me messages about, like, oh, I want to order from this company, but I don't know about it. So I ordered a bunch of wigs from random places, seriously, like random places. And so I have some videos on that coming out soon. What else? I want to talk about, oh yes! Did I talk about that already? My birthday sale. So I'm having a birthday sale on Nkoma.com, on my online store. I don't remember if I already vlogged this and whatever, but having an online sale. So it's still going on. I think I was gonna make it for a week, but I don't know. Like, a lot of people are saying that they want to order, but they won't be able to order till like next week and stuff like that. So I was like, oh, okay, maybe I'll just extend it like for 2 weeks, or maybe to the end of the month. Maybe at the end of the month. So it's already like midway. So yes, the travel cases are $10. So you get the 2-pack for $10 or 1 for $8. Bunch of orders that I've been trying to process and send out in the mail on time, so I've been keeping up with that. So check that out. Hey guys, so I'm back home. So, oh, I forgot my dresses in the car. Oh, I have to get them tomorrow when I go to church. Where are my keys? So I went on my mission I told you guys about. Let me make sure I lock my car, because my dresses are in there and I don't want anything to happen to them. I don't know if it's too far away. Okay, good. Make sure I locked it. Okay, so I went to Sephora. They did not have the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in chestnut. The chestnut, the one before it and the one after it in color, I noticed those two are the ones that are never in stock. Like, they're always sold out. So it's either they don't make as much as the other ones, so they sell out faster, or there's that many brown girls that are around the same complexion as me that got like go get those. So one of the two. So I just gotta order online. So anyways, I'm making dinner. I'm having stew with plantain. In a vlog before, I told you guys that I stay away from rice because I don't digest it well. So I usually make stew and then I make plantain. Like I cut it up. So I cut it up and then I boil it. So Chris was one that actually got me into that. Because one of the first times he came to visit me, he actually made this for me. Like he boiled plantain and made something. So after that I was like, oh, this is actually really good. So that's what I do. So instead of my rice, I do plantain. So boiling that, my stew is ready to go actually. So this is my stew. So my stew, I make it with either ground chicken or ground turkey to make it lean, because I'm trying to stay away from red meats because my stomach does not like red meat. So I like brown the ground meat and then make the stew regular way. It's so good. There's no African store here in Dayton, so there's some ingredients that I really like to put in my stew to add like an extra kick, but I don't have it. But it's still really good. But when I add that extra stuff, it is like even better. It's called Onga. It's like extra seasoning for stew. If I can find it on Amazon, maybe I'll just order it in bulk. If I find it, I'll link it down below. And you guys that make Nigerian food, try it in your stew. So good. And all you guys that have husbands, like make stew and like put that in, but don't tell him. And he'll be like, your stew's a little different this time. What's in it? Secret recipe. That's what it is. Alright, let me drain my plantain. And also, when I make this, the best plantain to use is one that's very, like, not ripe yet. So either like the plantain is green or just turned yellow and it's still really hard, because it tastes better that way. Because like if it's ripe, when it's ripe the right way, it's too soft and it just doesn't taste right when you eat it with the stew, because you're not frying it. Because when you fry it, it makes it hard again. But if you boil it, it's already soft. So you want to get one that's really hard. So that's a tip I have. One time, I think I got some plantains and there was no green ones. So I just got their yellow ones, and they took too long to make them. I took some days to make it, and then it got soft. And then when you boil it, it's just really soggy. And then when you have it with the stew, it's just like slop. It's not good. I don't like it. So, this stew is sweet, sweeter than sweet. Dish out my stew. Edit. Mookie's calling. Hello, Nikru?
Yo.
What it do?
Nothing. I'm going home from work.
So I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm going to edit and upload a video and then probably catch up on The Office. I've been loving The Office, and you guys have been telling me you guys love The Office too. And then it's also for me to check out something else, 13 Reasons, Arrested Development, I think that's what it was, and then something else. So after I finish The Office, then I'll move on to the next one. So thank you guys for your suggestions. Oh yeah, so I'm loving, so I got Hulu. So I told you guys that before in the last vlog. So I got Hulu. I've been loving it. I feel good that I don't have to be paying a $200 TV bill for no reason when I have the same stuff on Hulu for $7.99. And I have Netflix too, so I really like it. I do have, I already had the Chromecast, so I already streamed stuff on my TV already, so I didn't need to buy a new streaming software. What was it? I was telling you guys about, what was it? what was the other one? Sling TV, and you get a free Roku. It's like the Chromecast for Apple TV, but it's a different company. I forget if it's Amazon or something. But you get one of those for free when you sign up. And then I found out that what was it called? YouTube is coming out with their own live TV streaming service, and it's only available in certain cities. So it'll be great until when they get like everywhere. But it's like Sling TV, stream live shows, live TV, and you can record and save shows and look up past episodes of other shows. And I think it was like $35 a month or something, so it's a little bit cheaper than Sling TV. So I'm excited for that. Actually, that's a really good thing for YouTube to do. And what was I gonna say? Yeah, like cable TV is about to be like obsolete, I feel like, because you can get the same things, and not everyone watches all the channels and stuff like that, but you still have to pay for it. And like they make you bundle it with other things. So yeah, I've been loving Hulu. So get yourself Hulu if you're thinking about it. It's really good. And I just watch my shows, like my favorite shows, the next day. And sometimes my schedule is so busy that I can't even watch the show on that day. So it works out. Like I don't feel like I missed out. So because I always DVR my stuff and watch it next day anyway. So I should have been done Hulu a long time ago. So yeah. So anyways, I'll see you guys, not tomorrow, because I won't vlog tomorrow, but on Monday. So yeah, Monday. So I need to get back into the swing of things. So bye.